McDonald's doesn't want you to know this. Ex-employee revealed the secret of the world's most desired sauce. Look at this wonderful sauce recipe. We're going to be using 200 grams of sour cream. Put 2 spoons of honey on top of the cream. And mix these 2 ingredients very well. And guys, this sauce is delicious, and be sure that all of you who make it will love it. I'll add 5 spoons of ketchup. 5 spoons of mustard. 5 spoons of mayonnaise. And we are going to mix very well. And people are already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? I'll send you a super special hug. For every one of you who is commenting. I will now add a spoonful of grated Parmesan cheese. A teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A spoonful of sweet paprika. And we are going to mix very well. And today, I'm going to send a super special hug to Ava, who lives in Miami. Thank you so much for always being with us. I appreciate it immensely. I will now add a lemon here. I will mix very well. The personal lemon is what will make our sauce last for many days. Our sauce lasts up to 30 days in the fridge and is very well preserved. I will be adding it now in a container. And our sauce is ready, folks. Look how beautiful it turned out. This sauce was beautiful and it was delicious. Rest assured that all of you who make it will love it. You can spread it on bread, hamburger, meat, or whatever you want. It was wonderful. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Bye.